Alright, here we are. Hard Rock Casino. We got the bonus Lucky Chance Spin winner, $5 bet. We're gonna do a white. Come on. And we got the shittiest one. Come on, Wilds. There we go. A little something. 42 bucks. Come on, re-trigger it. Come on, come on. We're on 10-cent denom here, folks. Come on. Almost a re-trigger. One more spin. Come on. That's it. $59.
That you can't always get what you want, honey.
That back to back. Back to back. Hold and spin. Very next spin. Come on, drop something good. There's our progressives up there. Come on. Big numbers, come on. Happy Lantern is what we're playing. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, not very good there. Yeah, we'll take it. We're up. All right, $60 investment. All right, we got another bonus from nickels now. Come on, drop something big. We got a 500 ball there. Come on. Come on, let's do it. 2 at a time is good. All right, fill it up, baby. There's our progressives up there. Come on, let's do it. There we go. All right, let's do it. Fill it up, baby. Come on. Save it. Nope. Oh well. We got 4 triggers. Let's see what happens. 325 bet. Which one are we going to pick? I know, hit the button already, but superstitions. Alright, which one's it going to be? The white or the yellow? I think I'm going with the white again. Alright. White again. Come on, white it is. Come on. Make it happen. Hold and spin. Again. Gave me the shitty one again. Damn. Make it happen now. Make up for it. Come on. Come on. Terrible.
I'm gambling.
It's the 4 trigger jinx, I guess. It's true. me something. 3 more spins. Retrograde. Not happening. Last spin. Well, that sucked.
Fat, drunk, and stupid is no way to go through life, son.
Here we are on Autumn Moon at Ocean Atlantic City. Let's do it. $1.50 bet. Come on. Yeah, there's a mini. There's a whole $10. Come on. Okay. Let's fill it up for 13 grand. Come on. Okay, another mini. All right, 2 more. Okay, come on. 2 more. They're in there. Come on, not 13. 13 it is. $48.50. We'll take it. Here we go. One more for the big one. One more. We got 14. Let's do it. Come on. It ain't showing. Come on. Come on, do it. Nope. Not this time.